What's the farthest place we have ever visited? Is it possible that one day we can travel to space? What would it be like to observe the Earth and the solar system from another angle? Dr. Scott is recruiting crew members for his interstellar exploration. If you like astronomy, come and join it now. You will see the breathtaking view of space and observe the wonder of celestial movement. Join us in exploring the infinite possibilities of space. This session is presented through our immersive story plot shows learners the allure of space travel and piques their interest in astronomy. Our interactive games enable learners to develop their hands-on and minds-on abilities while growing knowledge. Our interesting science experiments allow learners to observe phenomena and understand theories simply and intuitively. Our discussion and interactive sessions let learners fully express their views and make learning enjoyable. Well, what are you waiting for? Come and join Dr. Scott on his journey into space. Let's experience a wonderful interstellar exploration and explore the unknown universe together.